Study data indicates the eyelash extension market will grow to USD 2.31 billion by 2028. In the near future, the lash extension industry is expected to grow due to increased fashion trends and an emphasis on enhanced beauty in a shorter period of time. As the market continues to grow, it is important to learn more about eyelash extensions, specifically proper care of them. Using a spoolie brush, thoroughly cleaning and drying the eyelash extensions is the best aftercare regimen for them. If you swim, avoid saltwater and oily makeup. If you want volume, character, or longer lashes, eyelash extensions are the perfect way to draw attention to your eyes, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. As a lash artist, we can create the perfect look that lasts for weeks at a time. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. Click on the link below and subscribe to our channel to learn more.